When we were young, I had teeth that didn't grow in straight, but we didn't have money for the braces. So when I graduated from college, got a job, and had my first money, I went to a dentist, and he said, "Oh, I can fix that. What we'll do is just take out the 2 teeth that are sticking out and make a 6-part bridge." So I had a full 6-part bridge, which began to fail with decay underneath the 4 teeth that were left because 2 were out. And then I had 5 replacements on that bridge over the last, 40 years. Finally, what happened was that they failed so badly that I just lost the teeth in my front teeth. And so I came to Dr. Lopez, and he said he can fix it, he could put implants in. And one of the most important parts of having come to Dr. Lopez and having this experience with him, having implants put in, having teeth removed that were not holding bridges in. The important part of that is that you go through your life and you're interacting with people all the time, but there's always behind in the back of your mind that you're not at your best. And since I've had 5 sets of bridges put in since I was 21. They fail. They have to be literally drilled off, and then you have to have new ones placed on. And then they give you bite guards, and then the bite guards don't fit, and then you have to go and you grind your teeth at night. So now I feel like I don't have to worry about any of that anymore. I'm confident. I know that I've got a really good sturdy base in my mouth, and I'm done with all of this difficult, and I don't know, it gets to your confidence level, and I'm done with that. And I can go forward now, and I plan to have a lot of fun in the rest of my life and not worry about my teeth.